Hi, I'm Corey. Welcome back to the MIS training series. During this video, I will explain how to use a case filter. Case filters are created by supervisors or program managers, but anyone with MIS user permissions can utilize case filters within a case or reports. Please note that this is a test system and that all data going forward is fake. After accessing a case, I can see the Case Filter tab next to the Basic Information tab. Notice there are 3 case filters, but all the values appear as missing. To add a filter value to this case, click the Edit button on the right. I will click here to add the Safety Seat Giveaway filter, and then I will type in the appropriate date. Click Submit to save. Now we can see the filter is added to the case. Let's try this again. This time we will choose the Race Ethnicity filter and we will choose Hispanic. So again, we can see the case filter added to the case. Now let's take a look at how case filters work within the report catalog. Notice in the parentheses of selected reports where case and site filters are used to filter program data. Let's look at the active enrolled case list report. Notice the case filters on the lower left side. Tick the box of the desired filter and then fill in the value of the data you wish to filter into the report. The data generated in the report will only contain the cases that have been identified through the filters. The report heading will also contain the filter information. When I change the filter values, the data within the report changes also, as does the filter information at the top. As you can see, case filters are a quick and easy way to customize data for your program. Thank you for viewing this video. We hope it was helpful and we hope to see you next time. Take care.